राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम. Welcome to class 79 of learning to chant Sriman Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje gurunaiv sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala janaka shankaro devaha संवन्दे कुञ्जराननं पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We shall do revision of from 43.5. Rishita, you can begin revision.
रोदोपकर्णनवशादुपगम्य गेहं क्रन्दत्सुनन्दमुखगोपकुलेषु दीनः त्वां दानवस्त्वखिलमुक्तिकरं मुमुक्षुः त्वय्यप्रमुञ्चति पपात वियत्प्रदेशात् रोदाकुलास्तदनुगोपगणा बहिष्ठपाषाणपृष्ठभुवि देहमतिस्थविष्ठम् प्रैक्षन्त हन्त निपतन्त ममुष्य वक्षस्य क्षीणमेव च भवन्तमलं हसन्तम् ग्रावप्रपात परिपिष्ट गरिष्ठ देह भ्रष्टासु दुष्टदनुजो परिधृष्टहासम् आघ्नानमम्बुजकरेण भवन्तमेत्य गोपादधुर्गिरिवरादिवनीलरत्नम् एकैकमाशु परिगृह्य निकामनन्दन् नन्दादिगोप परिरब्ध विचुम्बिताङ्गम् आदातु काम परिशङ्कित गोपनारी हस्ताम्बुज प्रपतितं प्रणुमो भवन्तम् भूयोऽपि किन्नु कृणुमः प्रणतार्तिहारी गोविन्द एव परिपालयतात्सुतन्नः इत्यादि मातर पितृप्रमुखैस्तदानीं सम्प्रार्थितस्त्वदवनाय विभो त्वमेव वातात्मकं दनुजमेव मयि प्रधुन्वन् वातोद्भवान् मम गदान् किमुनोधुनोषि किं वा करोमि पुनरप्यनिलालयेश निःशेषरोगशमनं मुहुरर्थये त्वाम्. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये तृणावर्तवधन्नाम त्रयश्चत्वारिंशत्तमं दशकं समाप्तम्. नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. गूढं वसुदेव गिरा कर्तुं ते निष्क्रियस्य संस्कारान् हृद्गत होरा तत्त्वः गर्गमुनिस्त्वद्गृहं विभो गतवान्. नन्दोऽथ नन्दितात्मा वृन्दिष्टं मानयन्नमुय्यमिनां मन्दस्मितार्द्रमूचे त्वत्संस्कारान् विधातुमुत्सुकधीः. यदुवंशाचार्यत्वात् सुनिभृतमिदमार्यकार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि. कथमस्य नाम कुर्वे सहस्रनाम्नो ह्यनन्तनाम्नो वा इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नाम रहसि विभो. कृषिधातुणकाराभ्यां सत्तानन्दात्मताङ्किलाभिलपत् जगदघ कर्षित्वं वा कथय दृशिः कृष्ण नाम्न ते व्यतनोत्.
Good. Arjun, we'll go from Shloka 6. There is a very small correction I will tell in 43rd Dashakam. If I forget, remind me later once everybody started coming in. Take another 10-15 minutes for the attendance to reach its level. Arjun, video and audio. Anyamscha namabhedan
व्याकुर्वन्
agraje cha ramadin
अतिमानुष अनुभावम्
न्यगदत् त्वाम् अप्रकाशयन् पित्रे अन्यांश्च नामभेदान्
व्याकुर्वन्नग्रजे
च रामादीन्
अतिमानुषानुभावम् न्यगदत्वाम्
अप्रकाशयन् पित्रे अन्यांश्च नामभेदान् व्याकुर्वन्नग्रजे च रामादीन्
अतिमानुषानुभावम्
न्यगदत्वामप्रकाशयन् पित्रे न्यगदत्वामप्रकाशयन्
पित्रे अन्यांश्च नामभेदान् व्याकुर्वन्नग्रजे च रामादीन् अतिमानुषानुभावम् न्यगदत्वामप्रकाशयन् पित्रे
7 स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सः न मायिकैः पुनः शोकैः द्रुह्यति यः स तु नश्येत् Satu nashyet. That's what you said.
Yeah. Satu nashyet.
Ityavadat.
Ityavadat. Ityavadat.
Te mahatvam.
Te mahatvam. Te mahatvam.
Rishivaryaha.
Rishivaryaha. Rishivaryaha.
Snihyati yastava putre.
Snihyati yastava putre. Snihyati yastava putre.
Muhyati sana.
Muhyati sana. Muhyati sana.
Mayikaih punashokaihi.
Mayikaih punashokaihi. Mayikaih punashokaihi.
Druhyati yassatu nashyet.
Druhyati yassatu nashyet. Druhyati yassatu nashyet.
Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha.
Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha.
Mahatvam rishi. Mahatvam rishi. Like Amrita. Mahatvam rishivaryaha.
Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha. Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha.
Snihyati yastava putre.
Snihyati yastava putre. Snihyati yastava putre.
Muhyati sana. Sorry. Muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi.
Muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi. Muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi.
Druhyati yassatu nashyet.
Druhyati yassatu nashyet. Druhyati yassatu nashyet.
Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha.
Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha. Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha. Snihyati yastava putre. Muhyati sanamayikai punashokaihi. Druhyati yassatu nashyet. Ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryaha.
Arjun. Jeshyati.
Jeshyati. Jeshyati.
Bahutara.
Bahutara. Bahutara.
Daityan.
Daityan. Daityan.
Neshyati.
Neshyati. Neshyati.
Nijabandhu.
Nijabandhu. Nijabandhu.
Lokam.
Lokam. Lokam.
Amalapadam.
Amalapadam. Amalapadam.
Shroshyasi.
Shroshyasi. Shroshyasi.
Suvimala.
Suvimala. Suvimala.
Kirtihi.
Kirtihi. Kirtihi.
Asyeti.
Asyeti. Asyeti.
Bhavadvibhutim.
Bhavadvibhutim. Bhavadvibhutim.
Rishiruche.
Rishiruche. Rishiruche.
Jeshyati bahutara daityan.
Jeshyati bahutara daityan. Jeshyati bahutara daityan.
Neshyati nijabandhu.
Neshyati nijabandhu. Neshyati nijabandhu.
Lokamamalapadam.
लोकममलपदं लोकममलपदं
श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः
श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः
अस्येति भवद्विभूतिम्
अस्येति भवद्विभूतिम् अस्येति भवद्विभूतिम्
ऋषिरुचे
ऋषिरुचे ऋषिरुचे
जेष्यति बहुतरदैत्यान्
जेष्यति बहुतरदैत्यान् जेष्यति बहुतरदैत्यान्
नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदम्
नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदम् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदम्
श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः
श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः
अस्येति भवद्विभूतिमृषिरुचे
अस्येति भवद्विभूतिमृषिरुचे अस्येति भवद्विभूतिमृषिरुचे जेष्यति जेष्यति बहुतरदैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदम् श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः अस्येति भवद्विभूतिमृषिरुचे.
There is a Patha Bheda Shroshyati in the third line, I think, with Takara. It is okay, but this sounds better. He is talking to Nandagopa, so Shroshyasi is better. Shloka 9. Rishita. Amunaiva.
Amunaiva. Amunaiva.
Sarvadurgam.
Sarvadurgam. Sarvadurgam.
Taritastha.
Taritastha. Taritastha.
Kritastham.
Kritastham. Kritastham.
Atra tishtadhvam.
Atra tishtadhvam. Atra tishtadhvam.
Harireva.
Harireva. Harireva.
Iti.
Iti. Iti.
Anabhilapan.
Anabhilapan. Anabhilapan.
Ityaditvam.
Ityaditvam. Ityaditvam.
Avarnayat.
Avarnayat. Avarnayat.
Samunihi.
Samunihi. Samunihi.
Amunaiva sarvadurgam.
Amunaiva sarvadurgam. Amunaiva sarvadurgam.
Taritastha.
Taritastha. Taritastha.
Kritasthamatra.
Kritasthamatra. Kritasthamatra.
Tishtadhvam.
Tishtadhvam. Tishtadhvam.
Harireveti.
Harireveti. Harireveti.
Anabhilapan.
Anabhilapan. Anabhilapan.
Ityaditvam.
Ityaditvam. Ityaditvam. त्वाम्
अवर्णयत् स मुनिः
अवर्णयत् स मुनिः अवर्णयत् स मुनिः
अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गम्
अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गम् अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गम्
तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम्
तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम् तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम्
not matra atra you said ma akara
तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम् तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम्
हरिरेवेत्यनभिलपन्
हरिरेवेत्यनभिलपन् हरिरेवेत्यनभिलपन्
इत्यादित्वामवर्णयत् स मुनिः
इत्यादित्वामवर्णयत् स मुनिः इत्यादित्वामवर्णयत् स मुनिः अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गम् तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम् हरिरेवेत्यनभिलपन् इत्यादित्वामवर्णयत् स मुनिः
Arjun Gargetha
And I cannot see the next slide.
Gargetha
Gargetha, Gargetha,
Nirgate
Nirgate, Nirgate,
Asmin
Asmin, Asmin,
Nandita
Nandita, Nandita,
Nandadi
Nandadi, Nandadi,
Nandyamanaha
Nandyamanaha, Nandyamanaha,
Tvam
Tvam, Tvam,
Madgadam
Madgadam, Madgadam,
Udgatakarunaha
Gatakarunah, Udgatakarunah,
Nirgamaya
Nirgamaya, Nirgamaya,
Shrimarutpuradhisha
Shrimarutpuradhisha, Shrimarutpuradhisha,
Gargetha
Gargetha, Gargetha,
Nirgatesmin
Nirgatesmin, Nirgatesmin,
Nandita Nandadi
Nandita Nandadi, Nandita Nandadi,
Nandyamanastvam
Nandyamanastvam, Nandyamanastvam,
Madgadamudgata
Madgadamudgata, Madgadamudgata,
Karunaha
Karunaha, Karunaha,
Nirgamaya
Nirgamaya, Nirgamaya,
Shrimarutpuradhisha
Shrimarutpuradhisha, Shrimarutpuradhisha,
Gargetha Nirgatesmin
Gargetha Nirgatesmin, गर्गेऽथ निर्गतेऽस्मिन्
नन्दित नन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वम्
नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं
मद्गदमुद्गतकरुणः
मद्गतमुद्गतकरुणः मद्गतमुद्गतकरुणः
निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश
निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश गर्गेऽथ निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदमुद्गतकरुणः निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
जातकर्म
जातकर्म
नामकरण
नामकरण
वर्णनन्नाम
वर्णनन्नाम
जातकर्म नामकरण वर्णनन्नाम
जातकर्म नामकरणवर्णनन्नाम जातकर्म नामकरणवर्णनन्नाम इति
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्तमम्
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्तमम्
दशकं समाप्तम्
दशकं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये जातकर्म नामकरणवर्णनन्नाम चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्तमं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Good. What I will do is this time I will repeat this full dashakam now itself, since we will take another 4-5 shlokas in the next dashakam. So telling 14-15 together. I will repeat this dashakam now, and then we will go on to the next dashakam. Before that, I just 43.3, I think. This one. I will tell you. Okay, I will tell this at the end. अथ चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्तमं दशकम् गूढं वसुदेवगिरा कर्तुं ते निष्क्रियस्य संस्कारान् हृद्गतहोरातत्त्वः गर्गमुनिस्त्वद्गृहं विभो गतवान् नन्दोऽथ नन्दितात्मा वृन्दिष्टं मानयन्नमुञ्यमिनाम् मन्दस्मितार्द्रमूचे त्वत्संस्कारान् विधातुमुत्सुकधीः यदुवंशाचार्यत्वात् सुनिभृतमिदमार्यकार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि कथमस्य नाम कुर्वे सहस्रनाम्नो ह्यनन्तनाम्नो वा इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नामरहसि विभो ऋषिधातुणकाराभ्यां सत्तानन्दात्मताङ्किलाभिलपते जगदघकर्षित्वं वा कथयदृशिः कृष्णनाम ते व्यतनोत् अन्यांश्च नामभेदान् व्याकुर्वन्नग्रजे च रामादीन् अतिमानुषानुभावम् न्यगदत्वामप्रकाशयन् पित्रे स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति स न मायिकैः पुनः शोकैः द्रुह्यति यः स तु नश्येत् इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वमृषिवर्यः जेष्यति बहुतरदैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपदम् श्रोष्यसि सुविमलकीर्तिः अस्येति भवद्विभूतिमृषिरुचे अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गम् तरितास्थकृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वम् हरिरेवेत्यनभिलपन् इत्यादित्वामवर्णयत्स मुनिः गर्गेऽथ निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वम् मद्गदमुद्गतकरुणः निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये जातकर्म नामकरण वर्णनं नाम चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्तमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते। दशकं 45 is Chandas is Malini. I'm not sure if you've come across the exact same Chandas before, but anyway, not a very nice Chandas. 15 letters in the Chandas. If anybody remembers, if we have come across this, you can tell which Dashakam. Otherwise, this Dashakam is regarding the Bala Leela. He's just beginning to crawl. Krishna begins to crawl. That is where it starts. Very filled with rasa. Ayi sabala murare.
Ayi sabala murare. Ayi sabala murare.
Pani jano.
Pani jano. Pani jano.
Pracharaihi.
Pracharaihi. Pracharaihi.
Kimapi.
Kimapi. Kimapi.
Bhavana bhagan.
Bhavana bhagan. Bhavana bhagan.
Bhushayantau.
Bhushayantau. Bhushayantau.
Bhavantau.
Bhavantau. Bhavantau.
Chalita charana.
Chalita charana. Chalita charana.
Kanjau.
Kanjo. Kanjo.
Manju manjira.
Manju manjira. Manju manjira.
Shinja.
Shinja. Shinja.
Shravana kutuka.
Shravana kutuka. Shravana kutuka.
Bhajau.
Bhajo. Bhajo.
Cheratuhu.
Cheratuhu. Cheratuhu.
Charuvegat.
Charuvegat. Charuvegat.
This Sabala Murare is one word, just there is no space there. Similarly with Charuvegat also there is no space, so hyphen there. Ayi Sabala Murare.
Ayi sabala murare. Ayi sabala murare.
Pani Janu Pracharaihi.
Panijanu pracharaihi. Panijanu pracharaihi.
Kimapi Bhavana Bhagan.
Kimapi bhavana bhagan. Kimapi bhavana bhagan.
Bhushayantau Bhavantau.
Bhushayantau bhavantau. भूषयन्तौ भवन्तौ
चलितचरणकञ्जौ
चलितचरणकञ्जौ चलितचरणकञ्जौ
मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा
मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा
श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ
श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ
चेरतुश्चारुवेगात्
चेरतुश्चारुवेगात् चेरतुश्चारुवेगात्
अयि सबलमुरारे पाणिजानुप्रचारैः
अयि सबलमुरारे पाणिजानुप्रचारैः अयि सबलमुरारे पाणिजानुप्रचारैः
किमपि भवनभागान् भूषयन्तौ भवन्तौ
किमपि भवनभागान् भूषयन्तौ भवन्तौ किमपि भवनभागान् भूषयन्तौ भवन्तौ
चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा
चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा
श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात्
श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात् श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात्
चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात्
चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात् चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात् अयि सबलमुरारे पाणिजानुप्रचारैः किमपि भवनभागान् भूषयन्तौ भवन्तौ चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरशिञ्जा श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरतुश्चारुवेगात्.
This Malini we had in the Dashakam 15, Kapilopadesha, we had the same chandas. So the raga is very similar. Mridu mridu
मृदु 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 मृदु
vihasantau
विहसन्तौ विहसन्तौ
unmishat
उन्मिषत् उन्मिषत्
dantavantau
दन्तवन्तौ दन्तवन्तौ
vadana patitakeshau
वदन पतितकेशौ वदन पतितकेशौ
drishya
दृश्य दृश्य
padabjadeshau
पादाब्जदेशौ पादाब्जदेशौ
bhujagalita
भुजगलित भुजगलित
karanta
करान्त करान्त
vyalagat
व्यालगत व्यालगत
kankanaankau
कङ्कणाङ्कौ कङ्कणाङ्कौ
matimaharatam
मतिमहरतम् मतिमहरतम्
uccaihi
उच्चैः उच्चैः
पश्यताम
पश्यताम् पश्यताम्
विश्वनृणाम्
विश्वनृणाम् विश्वनृणाम्
मृदु मृदु विहसन्तौ
मृदु मृदु विहसन्तौ मृदु मृदु विहसन्तौ
उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ
उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ
वदनपतितकेशौ
वदनपतितकेशौ वदनपतितकेशौ
दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ
दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ
भुजगलितकरान्त
भुजगलितकरान्त भुजगलितकरान्त
व्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ
व्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ व्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ
मतिमहरतमुच्चैः
मतिमहरतमुच्चैः मतिमहरतमुच्चैः
पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम्
पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम् पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम्.
Then nr here, that is the last word, has to be said as nr. That is a dirgha rikara. A I E U U r r. So only then it will sit in the meter also. Vishwanrnam. That is the correct word. Not tell nrnam. Nrnam.
नृणाम्
मृदु मृदु विहसन्ता उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ
मृदु मृदु विहसन्ता उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ मृदु मृदु विहसन्ता उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ
वदनपतितकेशौ दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ
वदनपतितकेशौ दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ वदनपतितकेशौ दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ
भुजगलितकरान्तव्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ
भुजगलितकरान्तव्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ भुजगलितकरान्तव्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ.
So it is said, that's how we have pronounced this karantavyalagat. There's dvitva at the va, as if there's one more va. You should not say karantavyalagat. A lot of people, first time when they are getting into shlokas, they will read it like that. You have to say karantavyalagat. Tabya should come, not tabya. Tabya, that's how it should be pronounced. So be careful while thinking and pronouncing that, while revising. And if you are correcting somebody, listen to it properly. Mati maharata mucchaif pashyatam vishwanrnam.
मति महरतमुच्चैः पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम् मति महरतमुच्चैः पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम् मृदु मृदु विहसन्ता उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ वदनपतितकेशौ दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ भुजगलितकरान्तव्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्कौ मतिमहरतमुच्चैः पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम्.
Krishita. Anusarati.
And our slide hasn't changed.
Anusarati.
Anusarati. Anusarati.
Janaughe.
Janaughe. Janaughe.
Kautuka.
Kautuka. Kautuka.
Vyakulakshe.
Vyakulakshe. Vyakulakshe.
Kimapi.
Kimapi. Kimapi.
Krita ninadam.
कृतनिनादम् कृतनिनादम्
व्याहसन्तौ
व्याहसन्तौ व्याहसन्तौ
द्रवन्तौ
द्रवन्तौ द्रवन्तौ
वलित
वलित वलित
वदनपद्मम्
वदनपद्मम् वदनपद्मम्
पृष्ठतः
पृष्ठतः पृष्ठतः
दत्तदृष्टी
दत्तदृष्टी दत्तदृष्टी
किमिव न
किमिव न किमिव न
विदधाथे
विदधाथे विदधाते विदधाथे
कौतुकम्
कौतुकम् कौतुकम्
वासुदेव
वासुदेव वासुदेव
अनुसरति जनौघे
अनुसरति जनौघे अनुसरति जनौघे
कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे
कौतुक कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे
किमपि कृतनिनादम्
किमपि कृतनिनादम् किमपि कृतनिनादम्
व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ
व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ
वलितवदनपद्मम्
वलितवदनपद्मम् वलितवदनपद्मम्
पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी
पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी
किमिव न विदधाथे
किमिव न विदधाथे किमिव न विदधाथे
कौतुकं वासुदेव
कौतुकं वासुदेव कौतुकं वासुदेव
अनुसरति जनौघे कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे
अनुसरति जनौघे कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे अनुसरति जनौघे कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे
किमपि कृतनिनादं व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ
किमपि कृतनिनादं व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ किमपि कृतनिनादं व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ
वलितवदनपद्मं पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी
वलितवदनपद्मं पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी वलितवदनपद्मं पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी
किमिव न विदधाथे कौतुकं वासुदेव
किमिव न विदधाथे कौतुकं वासुदेव किमिव न विदधाथे कौतुकं वासुदेव अनुसरति जनौघे कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे किमपि कृतनिनादं व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ वलितवदनपद्मं पृष्ठतो दत्तदृष्टी किमिव न विदधाथे कौतुकं वासुदेव
Good. Next, Arjun. Arjun. Druta Gatishu. Oh, Arjun, you can't hear. Okay. Trishita, continue. Drutagatishu
द्रुतगतिषु द्रुतगतिषु
patantau
पतन्तौ पतन्तौ
utthitau
उत्थितौ उत्थितौ
liptapankau
लिप्तपङ्कौ लिप्तपङ्कौ
divi munibhih
दिवि मुनिभिः
apankaiः
अपङ्कैः अपङ्कैः
sasmitam
सस्मितं सस्मितं
vandyamano
वन्द्यमानौ वन्द्यमानौ
drutamath
द्रुतमथ द्रुतमथ
jananibhyam
जननीभ्यां जननीभ्यां
sanukampam
सानुकम्पं सानुकम्पं
गृहीतौ
गृहीतौ गृहीतौ
मुहुरपि
मुहुरपि मुहुरपि
परिरब्धौ
परिरब्धौ परिरब्धौ
द्राग्युवाम्
द्राग्युवां द्राग्युवां
चुम्बितौ च
चुम्बितौ च चुम्बितौ च
अर्जुन द्रुतगतिषु
द्रुतगतिषु द्रुतगतिषु
द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तौ
द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तौ द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तौ
उत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ
उत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ उत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ
दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः
दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः
सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ
सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ
द्रुतमथ जननीभ्याम्
द्रुतमथ जननीभ्यां द्रुतमथ जननीभ्यां
सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ
सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ
मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ
मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ
द्राग्युवाञ्चुम्बितौ च
द्राग्युवां चुम्बितौ च द्राग्युवां चुम्बितौ च
द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तावुत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ
द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तावुत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तावुत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ
दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ
दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ
द्रुतमथ जननीभ्यां सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ
द्रुतमथ जननीभ्यां सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ द्रुतमथ जननीभ्यां सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ
मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ द्राग्युवाञ्चुम्बितौ च
मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ द्राग्युवां चुम्बितौ च मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ द्राग्युवां चुम्बितौ च द्रुतगतिषु पतन्तावुत्थितौ लिप्तपङ्कौ दिवि मुनिभिरपङ्कैः सस्मितं वन्द्यमानौ द्रुतमथ जननीभ्यां सानुकम्पं गृहीतौ मुहुरपि परिरब्धौ द्राग्युवां चुम्बितौ च.
Good, well said. I think that is enough for new shlokas for today. And that 43.8, there's a very small correction here. Adatu kama parishankita gopanari hastambuja prapatitam. It should be continuous. So there is no gap. I think while teaching and even while reciting, I have told as if there is a gap here. There should be a hyphen. It continues into the next line. So that there is one single word, hastambuja prapatitam, till that. Adatu kama parishankita gopanari hastambuja prapatitam. The whole thing is one single word. So we have to continue that way. And then pranamo bhavanta. There is no particular mistake in any pronunciation or letter or anything. There is no gap in between. You should not pause at the end of third pada. It should be continuous. That is pretty much it. Oh, you can't see my screen. One second. Play it. So this is 43.8. We'll have books. If you, I think in the books the hyphen will be there. I think in the script I just missed that hyphen. It just continues. 43.8. The third and fourth pada, there is no pause in between. You can take the pause after prapatitam and then say pranamo bhavantam. As usual. The attendance is close to it, like 95%, 220, more than 220 people today. I used to get about 240. Sometimes it used to go about 250 consistently before the change in this thing. 220 above is quite good, I think. We're almost there. Maybe there are some new participants also who have joined. So maybe some people who have given up and then have new participants. That might be the case. Anyway, I have to tell the last three shlokas now. The four shlokas which we learned now in Dashakam 45. If by the time, if any of you have to say anything, you can raise your hands. If you have raised your hands by mistake, please put it down. I will tell these four shlokas and then we can have. Ayi sabalamudare panijanu pracharaihi kimapi bhavana bhagan bhushayantau bhavantau Chalita charana kanjau manju manjira shinja shravana kutuka bhajau cheratus charu vegat mridu mridu vihasanta unmishadantavantau vadana patita keshau drishya padabjadeshau bhuja galita karantavyalagat kankanankau Mati Maharata Muchaif Pashyatam Vishwanrunam Anusarati Janaughe Kautukavyakulakše Kimapi Krita Ninadam Vyahasantau Dravantau Valita Vadana Padmam Prishthato Datta Drishti Kimivana vidadhate kautukam vasudeva Druta gatishu patanta buddhitau lipta pankau Divi munibhirapankais sasmitam vandyamano Druta matha jananibhyam sanukampang grihitau Muhurapi parirabdhau dragyuvan chumbitau cha. This Dashaka, there is another beautiful alankara also that many from the beginning the shlokas are in Dvivachana, which itself is unique to Samskrita. And when it is used in this way, the prasa is very nice. Like in Ramayana, also you know the shlokas which describe Rama and Lakshmana. Very nice, that aukara that keeps repeating. It gives a very different kind of prasa. Anyway, Shubha Ganesh, Ram Ram. Then yes, Murali 24.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram.
Wish
Yes.
very happy birthday. May God bless you. Stay blessed and get well soon. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji. You have made our Saturday night so pleasurable. I'm really thankful to you that we have joined. Our whole group is very thankful to you, sir.
It is all the blessings of Guru Ayappan that is going on. A lot of efforts behind from many people. Ram Ram.
Thank
Yes, Shyam 1994. Then S Ardhanari after Shyam. Shyam 1994. You can unmute yourself. When I call your name, you can just unmute yourself and speak.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Guruji. I'm Sita Lakshmi. I met you at Mylapur. And many happy returns of the day. பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் குருயாரப்பனை நாங்கள் வேண்டிக்கிறோம். எங்க குரூப் எல்லாரும் உங்களுடைய நல்வாழ்த்துக்களுக்காக. ஓகே, நல்வாழ்த்துக்காக உங்க குடும்பத்தோட சௌக்கியமா இருக்கணும்.
Dhanyawada. Thank you very much. I know all of you pray for the best. Dhanyawada.
இன்னைக்கு நாங்க எல்லாரும் படிச்சோம். உங்களோட பிறந்த நாளுக்காகவும் சேர்த்து படிச்சோம் நாங்க எல்லாரும் இன்னைக்கு.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நொச்சூர் அண்ணான்னு நிறைய பேர் கேட்டிருப்பேன். நொச்சூர் அண்ணான்னு அண்ணா சொன்னார், பிறந்த நாள் அன்னைக்கு நம்ம பிறக்கலன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். That is on the day of our birthday we should know that we are not born and we are not this body. It's just an appearance. அதை வச்சுட்டு we did not go ahead with these wishes. Yes, Ardhanari.
Chiranjeevi Baba Mahodaya. 44வது சர்க்கத்தோட சந்தஸ் என்ன?
Chandasa. போராடி சொன்ன the name of the chandas is Geeti. So it is there. I have given on the slide. It is a matra vrta. It is not the usual chandas. There are two kinds of chandas. It is split into matra and akshara vrtas. So this is a matra. For more Vyakarana, you could go to some other book and refer it. But this is Geeti is the chandas. Matra chandas. Geeti is matra chandas. So in the letters in border plus, I should put 12 matras, 18 matras, 12 matras, 18 matras. So that's why the number of letters will differ across all the shlokas.
Dhanyawada Mahodaya.
Dhanyawada. Shankari Ramesh. And then R.
हरि ओम नमस्ते महोदय. हरि ओम नमस्ते महोदय. जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः. जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः भवतः कृते. बहु सम्यक् पाठयति. किञ्चित् लघु अर्थं वदति चेत् इतोपि सन्तोषः भवति.
अर्थाय अन्यत् उपन्यासः
मास्तु, न पूर्णतया मास्तु, केवलं
अर्थः सर्वैः अनुकरणीयः, सर्वैः अवगन्तव्यः इति उपन्यास सरणिः वर्तते. In English, I am giving upanyasas on the same thing. You can that is also there as a course. So that is over till 28 dashakam. I have finished it, 28 or 29. After that, I have not found the time to have it. So about 3, 4 or 5 dashakams at a time, I am telling the meanings in English as a separate, not during the class, because this class is only for recitation. We have kept it as a separate discourse kind of meaning giving. So you can refer till 29 is there. The others will also continue when I find the time. That will also happen. I will announce it during this class and then we will have the discourse. That's how it is happening.
अस्तु महोदय, बहु सन्तोषः. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
शुभदिनं महोदय.
R dot. So that is the name. R. Ram Ram. You're unmuted. You can speak.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
நமஸ்காரம். நான் கல்பனா ராஜகோபால்.
சொல்லுங்க.
இது வந்து விஷ் யூ வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே.
Thank you.
நமஸ்காரம். நமஸ்காரம் உங்களுக்கு. இந்த 45வது இது தசகம் அதுல வந்து செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகத்துல 4th லைன் மதி மகாரத முச்சைஹி பஷ்யதாம் அப்படின்னு வரணுமா இல்ல மதி மகாரத முச்சைஃப் பஷ்யதாம் அப்படின்னு வரணுமா?
ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட் தான். சேர்த்து சொல்லும்போது when we tell it together, the visarga changes to what we call as upadhmaniya, which is the sound is like F, the letter F in English, very similar to that, but it just the wind comes out of the lips, that's all. Uchchaih pashyatam. So if you tell uchchaihi, then you are stopping that, but we don't stop in between a pada usually. So in telling together, it should be told as mati maharata uchchaih pashyatam. That's how it is.
Okay.
So whenever the visarga is followed by either pakara or phakara, mahaprana, that's how the visarga changes to that kind of pronunciation. That is the Vyakarana rule.
Namaskaram Guruji. Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Panchanadam Swaminathan Mahodaya.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. And 44 or 45, is it Sroshyasi or it could be Sroshyati, right?
Yeah, it could be either.
Now, I thought she's addressing Sroshyasi as a Madhyama Purusha. So how
Correct.
does it fit into Sroshyati?
Shroshyati can just be just general. Some book added. That's why I said Shroshyasi is far better for the context here. Shroshyati Suvevila Kirtihi, like everybody will hear. Like Saha Shroshyati or somebody Shroshyati. That's all. It becomes general. You will have to turn around the meaning. But Shroshyasi here, since Garga is talking to Nanda, that's why I said Shroshyasi is the best part. Somebody had Shroshyati in their book. That might be, as I said, so Shroshyasi is best, as you can see.
Anyway, happy birthday. You're only 1 year, 1 day older than me. 1 day plus so many years. And you were born on the day of Gandhi's birthday.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Dhanyavada.
Like you said, you remember that you were not born on that day. So we already remember that. So it's 1 day is, 1 year is gone by. So we have to make sure we do correctly. Anyway, all the best. I think you are doing everything very well. So you shouldn't really worry about it. All the best.
Dhanyavada. Ram Ram. Namaskar. Uma Kriti. Uma Kriti, you can unmute yourself. After Uma Kriti, Padmaja Anantaya. Uma Kriti, you can unmute. Or Padmaja Anantaya. Uma.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Many more happy returns of the day. இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இந்த 44வதுல வந்து seventh ஸ்லோகா, it is ஸ்னிஹ்யதி முஹ்யதி and திருஷ்யதி, no?
Yes.
ஆனா பேனலிஸ்ட் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணும்போது நிஷ்யதின்னு சொன்ன மாதிரி என் காதுல விழுந்தது.
I think the first time it was little, that audio went bad, but the first time when we took the shloka, but otherwise she said it right. I think Trishita told
It is only nishyadi, mukhyadi and drishyadi.
Yeah. So,
Thank you, Mahodaya. Thank you, Mahodaya.
Hari Om. I want to sing the Chinga Mission birthday song for you. Okay. Janmadinamidam ay priya guru Shantanotu te sarvada mudam prarthayamaye bhavasatayushi Ishvara sada tvam charakshatu punya karmana kirti marjaya जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं भवतु सार्थकं. Happy birthday Guru. Thank you.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
Swami Tejomayananda of Chinmayan has composed this song, so it has been very nice. So all of them are, he has done a great upakara, because he used to have singing happy birthday. A lot of people are using this, which is nice to listen to. Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Jyoti Shanai and then Balaji.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Yeah. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. And the words of wisdom that you spoke in Tamil, which said something about the body. Could you reiterate that in English, please?
Oh, I didn't say it in English. Okay, no. There is this Nochur Venkatraman. We call him Anna. Nochur Anna. He is very great advanced spiritual soul. Who during on my 18th birthday, long back, I had done a prostate before him. It was in 2012. So he told me. So my mother just introduced me saying it's his birthday today. He was giving the discourse series. So he said, "Know that you are not born. So you are birthless. So this birthday is just an appearance. It is an illusion that you have a birthday and then a death day. So you are the immortal soul, and always strive to realize that." That is the Upadesha that he gave me. So that's what I just wanted to convey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I did not want to miss it because I know many people give you good wishes in Tamil, which I don't understand, but I didn't want to miss this so that at least I can remember that on my birthday.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji, and thanks for teaching. May God bless you and your family. Thanks a lot.
Bala J and then Shudha Shekhar. Bala J, you are unmuted. You have to unmute yourself and then, or Sudha Shekhar. Sudha Shekhar, you are unmuted. You can speak.
Hello.
Ram Ram.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
தமிழ்ல பேசலாமா?
சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
என்னன்னா நான் லேட்டா தான் சேர்ந்தேன். நானு 37th இதுல தான் சேர்ந்தேன். அது ப்ரீவியஸ் இது நான் இதுல பாத்துக்கிறேன், யூடியூப்ல பாத்துக்கிறேன். பார்த்துன்னு படிச்சுன்னு வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். இப்ப 35 to 40 நீங்க சொல்லிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா இப்ப படிக்கணும்ட்டு?
ரெசிடேஷன் காமன் 36 வரைக்கும் 37 ல இருந்து படிக்கணும். 37 ல இருந்து 42 43 வரைக்கும் இருக்கலாம்.
ஓகே ஓகே, அது படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். அது இப்ப அதுவும் இதுவும் மாத்தி நான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ப்ரீவியஸ் இது பார்த்தேன்.
வெரி குட் வெரி குட்.
ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ரொம்ப நல்லா சொல்லி கொடுக்குறீங்க. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். விஷ் யூ ஹேப்பி பர்த்டே டு யுவர் ஃபேமிலி. ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.
Ram. Bala J, you can unmute yourself. I have unmuted you. You try. Venkateshwaran and then Shobha. Venkateshwaran.
Yes. Namaskar, sir. Wish you happy birthday.
Thank you.
Sir, this course page, session 78. There is no PDF version uploaded.
Oh yeah. But the latest courses, I take some time to upload them to convert to PDF and send it to them. So after I send them the PDF, so they will upload it very soon. The volunteer does a good job. Take time to send the PDF.
Even session 76, audio page is not uploaded.
Audio is not up, is it? Okay, I will ask the volunteer to do it. I will look into it.
Sir, one doubt. This na dvitvam, sometimes it is split as in and sometimes in and na. What is the rule there?
So that is a little complicated rule. I have explained it in multiple classes, and one of the classes I have explained a lot of detail by writing the whole this thing. I think I should mark the class and suggest it to people. If one of you know, in the students, if one of you remember which class, which dashakam it was, where I wrote on the slide and explained that Nganyamana, Anyanamana, all the 5 Anunasika Varnas, how they come. If you remember or if you find it out, you can tell it. So
I'm not asking that. That I know. But in, that is double N, sometimes it is split as in and na. Sometimes it is split as in.
Na.
That's what I'm asking.
That is by sandhi. That you have to know the previous word. The sandhi karya and sandhi splitting the sandhi is always when you know the meaning of the word. That's when you can split it. Not just by looking at it, you cannot say anything. You have to know whether the first word makes sense with ta or with na. So that's how you split it.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Shobha, you can speak.
Ram.
Ram.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Guruji. May God bless
Ram.
you and your family. It's very nice. You are teaching so nicely. And I'm so happy. And I want to join the Telegram group. How can I join?
It should be there in one of the previous mails that I said that I might have sent long back, or like if one of you can send me the link here of Telegram, then I will send it to you. So it is there in previous, or when I send the next mail that contains either some mail test or something, I will put the Telegram link below in that mail. Then all the new joining, those who are interested in joining. Anyway, the Telegram group, there is nothing very important, but some discussion.
Okay. Thank you once again. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Ram. Dhanyavad.
Next, okay, a few more people. Bangaru Kamakshi and then Savitri Gangadhar.
Ram Mahodaya. Actually, my email ID is Bangaru Kamakshi. My name is Devika. And thank you for the wonderful message that upon your birthday, to say that you should know that you are actually not born and you are that Atma Swarupam. And Mahodaya, I'm not getting the Parayanam mails, Mahodaya.
Parayanam mail. Till now, after the first test in February, the Parayanam test has not been conducted yet.
So the Parayanam is still for 25 dashakas only, no, Mahodaya?
Yes. So after 50 only, the next mail will come.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Savitri Gangadhar, you can speak, and then Vidya Lakshmi last. Savitri Gangadhar. Ram.
ಜನ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಭಗವಂತ ಆಯುರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಭಗವಂತನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Vidya Lakshmi, you can speak. Ram. Vidya Lakshmi, you are unmuted. You can speak. You can hear some. Or Bala J. One of you, Vidya Lakshmi or Bala J.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Many more happy returns of the day. God bless you and your family, Guruji.
Dhanyavad. Thank you all. A lot of you have sent your wishes through the chat also. Shankari Ramesh, Mrs. Shruti Ratnagirish, Swati Arti Gurumurti, Ram Jai, Neel Kamal, Kavakshi, Vidya Lakshmi Sudha Ganapati, and Shri Devi. Sarvebhyaha Ram Namaskaraha. Agriva Saptahante Shanivasare Punaha Drakshyamaha. We will see next Saturday. Narayana Khila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.